What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Dope-T. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Let's get straight on to it.
So where's this troll? Now, he said he's going to send me a request. And he done took up all of the time on live. And y'all already know. So now I only got like 10 minutes to talk to y'all. So I did have a couple serious things I wanted to get off my chest. But I guess I'll do that tomorrow. At some point.
Yo, what up?
Hola.
What's the vibe?
Why the fuck you couldn't see my comment and just click on my thing?
You know why I got an Android? That's why I got an Android.
Oh, shut up.
Nah,
Okay.
yo, listen. Let me get in my bag real quick because I'm a bob right now. Let me get in my fucking bag. You know?
No, we only got 10 minutes. You're not doing a bunch of nonsense. I came to talk. First of all, why are you going crazy?
I'm not gonna. Let me know if I'm spitting. If I'm saying something wrong. Look. Let me just show you. And fuck this nigga, because after you left this nigga's career been gone. Like this nigga. All right. Let me chill. You right. Let me chill. You know why? Let me chill because I just exposed mad niggas for being rats. But you know everybody wanna be like, no. I didn't.
Can I say really quickly what I want to say because we only got 10 minutes? I want to say something about this whole rap situation.
Go ahead.
I feel like this is the music business, and I think we're confusing the two. So it's like when I talk about people not writing raps, that's the music business issue. Somebody else could be like, oh, I don't care about that if somebody write their raps. That's their prerogative because they're not in my business. Mm-hmm. They didn't blood, sweat, and tears and grind it out, so they don't, have to feel a certain way like I do. My take on it is I feel street niggas have every right to feel how they want to feel about snitching because they live that life.
That's a fact.
I feel rappers need to play it easy because everybody mingles and integrates with everybody. And if a top executive rap call one of y'all unsigned rappers right now, sign y'all signing.
Yo, say it louder. So I didn't hear you. Say that part louder. I ain't hear you. Say that part louder. If a rap executive do what?
Call y'all sign it. So let's be clear when we talk about rappers versus street niggas. It's rappers that put guns they ain't never bust a day in their life in their music all the motherfucking time. So we're not talking about rappers. I feel street niggas have a right to feel how they want to motherfucking feel because they in the field. And I'm not on the block with 6ix9ine. Me and 6ix9ine is not on the block. We in the music business. So you rappers is in rooms all the time with people with sketchy pasts. And I'm not judging anybody because I'm not doing that. I have nothing but respect for so many of these people, and I would never fix my face to talk crazy about them. My husband doesn't fuck with the snitch culture. My husband is just like, I can't fuck with that. And I respect him because he's lived a different life. But y'all want to make it rap 1 minute and streets the next minute. Y'all want to talk about people not writing their raps 1 minute and then do songs with people that don't write raps the next minute. But if somebody talk about the integrity of hip-hop, then it's a problem. But y'all can talk about the integrity of the streets and not snitching. Well, we not on the block. None of you niggas is on the block. If these niggas that's still out there doing what they doing and banging and really living that life want to talk about it, I have to respect it. We all got to respect it because they play by a different code. And everybody can't speak on that. But as far as rappers...
Cut it out.
Yeah, rappers got to just play it.
Cut it out.
Easy because y'all know that y'all bend the rules for certain people.
Listen, Nikki, they pick and choose. They pick and choose. You know what? No, I can't do that. I can't call you. No, but you know what? He never had no friends in the industry. So let's
you gotta call out everybody. If we gonna have that conversation, you gotta call out everybody. You can't be on one person's dick that's living the same kind of life or employing the same kind of person. You gotta call out everybody.
You gotta call out everybody. And niggas been ratting since the 1800s.
So my thing is, but let me just, because I don't want to, let's be serious. I mean, look, Trolls is about to come out. There's so many special things that I want to share with you guys. I want to tell my fans I love you guys so fucking much. It's like I said, there's so many things I want to share, and I can't share them right at this minute. But just know that I will be sharing so many dope things really soon. Trolls is out right now, and we shot it in 6ix9ine's house, so we couldn't do much, but we did what we could with what we had. But there was some things that I wanted to touch on because I see a lot of people that, they just use certain words, buzzwords to hate on people, but we're not going to touch on it right now because we don't have time. Trolls is out right now.
It's out right now?
Well, right in 10 minutes.
Yo, in 10 minutes, we going We gonna shatter it. You know why, Nikki? Me and you the hottest. People don't want to accept that. But me, nobody hotter than us.
Okay.
Nobody, listen, nobody can go
on
live and get that.
NickiMinajQueen.com and get the merch. And in terms of, and as far as the proceeds going to the bailout project, we want to just make sure that the protesters and everybody on the front lines of this whole situation that's recently been taking place with Black Lives Matter and all the Black people that have died for nothing. We want you guys to know, well, I personally want y'all to know how much I respect the people out there protesting and lending their voices for this shit, because this is the most important thing that we could be talking about right now, to be honest. And 20% of our proceeds goes to the bailout fund. If you are not familiar with the bailout fund, it's on my page. The @ is on my page. And we just want to make sure people have some sort of an outlet. Like, God forbid you find yourself in a crazy situation, you know that there could possibly be a fund to help you. We want to obviously say rest in peace to George Floyd and send condolences to his family.
Rest in peace, George Floyd.
Shout out to everybody, all the Black lives that innocent Black people that have been killed senselessly. And we hope that you guys we hope that you guys see that your voices are so powerful, so powerful. Went from 1 cop being charged to 4 cops being charged. Now we got to see it through to get these people convicted. But it's just like, I just want y'all to see how powerful y'all are. I love y'all for supporting me, you know, for just riding with me forever. You know, I ain't never going to get up with nowhere apologizing for nothing, Jack. Yeah, that's
say it louder. Say it louder.
So, but it's all about the fans. The problem is, what people be mad at, I notice, is they can't cancel people.
Say it one more
That's
time.
what really be mad at.
Say it one more time.
Y'all can't cancel people.
Why can't they?
People that y'all cancel, they was already canceled.
And people y'all cancel, people that y'all cancel don't chop. People that y'all cancel don't top 5 on the charts with no radio either. So listen, y'all been trying to cancel us for a minute. It's not gonna happen. People that cancel right now get this.
And I wish that y'all would put your energy into people you love. If you don't love 6ix9ine and if you don't love Nicki Minaj, we have millions of fans who love us. We are not worried about any of your tweets that hit the 60,000 and 100,000 likes. We good on this side. It's about life and abundance, and we are so happy that Trolls is out. And now when y'all hear the verse, it's some funny shit in the verse.
Yo, you think I bodied you on the verse, or you bodied me?
I think you bodied me, but let's be real. It's because you rushed me to hand in a verse, and I wasn't finished, and I be needing time to make my verse right and shit. And that's the tactic that niggas been using lately, is try to rush the queen with the motherfucking verse. But you know the queen bumps is back in 24 hours. It's done. It's nothing. When I get done, 2 sticks in my bun. Pull up in the sticks in the run.
Yo, you think they ready for this video that's about to break the internet? And it's 12 a.m. Everybody's sleeping. We got everybody up.
Bye, y'all. We love you guys so much. And I'll probably come back on live because there's some other real things that I really wanted to touch on. But I love you. And I don't have any anger to anybody that this troll has anger towards. Don't try to bring that shit over here. Handle your own shit like men.
Like men. You heard?
Okay,
and I got my list over here. Yo, Nikki, I'm going to holler at you. You heard?
Okay, bye.
All right. Yo, tune in to Trolls.